Today topic is coordinate system. Okay, UCS, user coordinate system. Suppose if you use AutoCAD, so now you are a user. Okay, so how to change the coordinate system of AutoCAD? So that is called UCS. So if you when you create 3D modeling, so this is the settings option. You must stay on the 3D modeling option. Okay, so you must say in the 3D modeling option. So you check in the settings option. So that is the usage coordinate system coming here. Otherwise, every time you can go to the tools, new uses, that is wall, previous, face, object, view, origin, z-axis, 3 point x, rotate about x, rotate about y, and rotate about z. Okay, so that is total usage option. So first we can go here isometric view, so that is x, y, and z. So now you can create here one, suppose, box here. Okay, so that is one box. Okay, now suppose go to the view option. Okay, so that is, suppose first one is face usage. Face usage, suppose just click here. So now this one is face usage, just accept it, or you can flip x, rotate, flip about x and flip about y. Okay, so just accept here. So now this surface, this is the x and this is the y. So this surface is the xy surface. Clear? Okay, so you can create any model in the xy plane and give depth about z direction. Okay, give depth about z direction. So now suppose this is the object. Object means, suppose just click here. So now this nearest uses create here. So that is x and that is y and this one is z. Okay, so that is object oriented uses. You can change. Uses means user coordinate system. So you are a user, you can change as per your requirement coordinate system here. Okay, so that is called UCS. Next one is view. View means just parallel to the skin. Okay, parallel to the skin. Suppose this one is 3D object. So this is the our skin, this black color. So this x and this is the y. By default, z is in your eye contact. Okay, if you rotate this one, how to rotate? Suppose go view, orbit, and constant orbit, and suppose place left click. So now this is the z direction. Okay, so this one is automatically rotate this plane. Okay, so that is the main object. Clear? Then you can undo it. Okay, now so these three are, first one is view, then object, and then face. I think these three are clear. Okay, next, suppose undo it. Undo means just undo of UCS. Okay, means UCS, go to the previous option. Okay, so that is undo of UCS. Okay, so that is UCS previous. Okay, this undo is total undo and this is the UCS undo. Okay, then origin, just click here, direction remains same. Okay, just this origin shifted here, direction remains same. X and y and z, three direction are remain same. Okay, next one is z axis, just click here and click here. So now this one is z axis. So this is the x and this is the y. Okay, so that is the z axis. Clear? Next one is 3 point. 3 point, suppose just click here. This is the x axis and this is the y axis. So now this is the 3 point axis created here. Okay, next, so that is the x and that is the y. So that is the 3 point. If you choose here world coordinate system, so now this one becomes, first one is world coordinate system. There have a small rectangle is showing here. So that is called world UCS, means WCS, world coordinate system. Okay, WCS, World Coordinate System. So I'll repeat here. First one is face UCS. Just click here and accept it. So now this one is face UCS. If you undo it, so go to the face UCS and suppose click here. If you X flip, so now X is in this direction. Okay. If you Y flip, so now Y replace about X. Okay. So and next one is next means next flip, you can see it. Okay, so that is and then accept it. So that is undo. Now then suppose object, suppose click here, so now this one is uses changes here, and now this one is parallel to the skin. Okay, next this one is undo means previous one. Next this one is origin, just click here, that is the origin. Next this one is z direction, suppose click here and click here. First point is the origin and second point is the z direction from the origin. Okay, next 3 point, just click here and this point is the x direction from the origin and this point is the y direction from the origin. Okay, so first is the origin, then second point is the x direction from the origin, and third point is the y direction from the origin. Okay, next how to rotate. This one is rotate about x, rotate about y, and rotate about z. Okay, so how to rotate? Suppose x, so now x is fixed, y z is rotate about x. Okay, x is fixed, y and z rotate about x. Clear? So now you can click here. Suppose this one is 230. Okay, this one is 230. Suppose choose here. Suppose here choose 45, enter. So now this one is 45-degree angle created here. Okay, just shift and scroll. So now this one is, you can see here, this xy rotate about 45-degree. Okay, now undo it, then rotate about y. So now this one is rotate about y. So now y is fixed, x and z are rotate about y. Okay, so that is the main thing. Clear? You can put it here, suppose 60 degrees. So now this one is 60 degree about y. Next this one is z. Also now z is fixed, x and y is rotate about the z. Similar procedure. Clear? I think rotate is clear. Then world coordinate system, just click here. So now this one is world coordinate system, convert to the world coordinate system. Next here, suppose this one is UCS, just click here, this is the UCS, click here and click here. This is also same, that is a like a 3 point, so that is manage UCS. Okay, so I think this is the sufficient for UCS purpose. Now how to change, what is the purpose of UCS? Suppose go to here, face UCS, I'll select here this face as the XY plane. Okay, this face as the XY plane means X and Y lies on the this face. Okay, so now just go to the draw, modeling, and suppose create one cylinder. I was taught this cylinder previous 2 days previous video, this cylinder, how to create cylinder. So go to the cylinder option and suppose click here, suppose give radius 30, enter, and then height means this is the depth. Okay, so that is the depth. You can create about z positive or negative anywhere. So now this one is z positive or negative. Okay, so that is the height. Clear? Now you can rotate, suppose shift and scroll. So this cylinder passing through this body. Okay, this cylinder passing through this body. So now you can create here, that is the purpose of UCS. Okay, so before means suppose first time, suppose wall coordinate system, if you choose here wall coordinate system, if you create here cylinder, so cylinder is look like this, means perpendicularly created here, okay, in the z direction. But if you want from this face, you can create, suppose this one is 3 point, just click here and click here, okay. So now go to the draw modeling and suppose create cylinder. So now this one is the another cylinder created here, okay. So that is the purpose of UCS, okay. So I think it's clear, UCS, user coordinate system. So after that we can create sweep, extrude, revolve, sweep, okay, loft. So today up to that, that is the UCS option.